a list from scratch on Listly is fairly easy. It just takes a few simple steps, and once you get used to them, you'll be making lists in no time. So once you're logged onto your Listly page, you just click on Make a List. So you have all these options here. You'll have naming your list, which is important because it's your title and you want it to be engaging and eye-catching and you want readers to read it, and you also want readers to want to add to it as well. And then you'll have your layout. So you'll have your magazine, which is good for large images, it's good for travel, it's good for art, photography, anything like that. Um, and you can change it to a simple list, simple layout, if you're just kind of straightforward. Minimal, which is also good for being straightforward. Gallery, which lays out everything, and slideshow. So this is basically how your list will look. This is your description here. This is where you describe your list. You also, like your title, want this to be engaging and interesting. You want your readers to see it, and you want them to scroll down, and you want them to add to your list as well. And this is your tag section, and it's where you add one-word things about your list so people can find you on the internet. So today we can make a list about, let's say, London. So you'll want to make your title eye-catching, like I said before. So today I'll just put 10 best places to visit in London. I definitely encourage you to be more creative, be more engaging, but for this, it's like 10 best places. People want to know what the best places are. They might want to add to it if you miss something. And I'm going to use magazine because it's a travel one. And then for the description, like I said, be creative, be engaging. You want your readers to scroll down, but I'm just going to put these are the best places to visit in London. And definitely make yours longer and more creative. But for time's sake, that's kind of the idea. You want it to be the best. So you say the best places, and then it catches people's eye, which is what you want. So for tags, I'm going to put London, travel, Big Ben, so things that are on your list probably, and anything like that, so they can find you on the internet easier. Once you're done that, you just go down and you click on Make List. It'll make your list, and then so you've got your headline image, which is just as important as your title and description because it's the first visual piece your audience will be seeing. So I have a good example here of one here. So this one is about 10 film remakes. It's got the Mad Max picture. It's colorful, it's engaging, it's exciting. It makes your readers want to see more and what else you have on the list. So basically you just click upload. It opens your computer's files. You pick a picture from there, and then it makes it your headline image. And then once you've done that, you're ready to add to your list. So you can click on add to your list, or you can go down here with your other options. So click on add to list. You've got text. So text is pretty basic. It's good for things that are unique to your list, or if you want to say something different about an item that no one else has said on the internet, you just add the title yourself. You can upload a picture from your computer. You can add a link. And then you can add a description and hashtags within it. Those are the good tags that will help people find your list on the internet, and optional tags below, and then you just click save. So that's the simple way to do it. You also have the other options, which are link, photo, video, audio, profile, and place. Link's good. So say we want to find one on Google, and then we just go Big Ben and search, and oh, Wikipedia's got something good here. Click on it, click copy, go back into link, and click paste and copy and paste the URL to it. It'll give you the title, it'll give you photos or multiple photos you can choose from. You can take the photos away completely, or you can add your own, whatever you want to do. So another good thing it does is it adds metadata from the site you've picked the link from. If you don't like the metadata, you can erase it. You can add to it, but it's great if you just want to be quick. And then you just add Big Ben to the tags, London, anything you think people will be searching for on the internet, and then you click save. And then it'll tell you that your item was added to the list, and if you want to take a look at it, you can exit out and take a look. So you've got your big photo because of the magazine layout, and your metadata down here. And then you can go ahead and choose a different option. So say we want to go onto YouTube, and we want to check out the London Eye and see if we can find a video on that. So here's one here.
With extended coverage,
and we'll just copy and come back, and we'll go into video and paste. And so it'll bring it up here. You've got your video that people can click play and watch from your list. You have your metadata down here, your tag options. So it adds everything basically like the link does, except that it's a video that you can play from. You click on Save All. It'll save your item to the list, and there it goes, and you can check it out. You can click play to watch it. It's got your title and all the information. So your options here, like I said before, text, you put all your information in yourself. Link, you find a link on the internet. It gives you metadata. Photo, if you have some photography that you want to put on the list, you can just add your own descriptions, add the photo. Video is great with YouTube videos, things like that. Audio is great for things like SoundCloud. So if you want to make a music list, it's good for that. Profile is good for things like Twitter. Place is also good for traveling because you can just add a place, and bulk is adding in bulk and things like that, CSV from your computer. So yeah, that's basically how you add everything from scratch, or you start a list from scratch, and basically just play around with it. Be engaging, be creative, and most of all, have fun, because that's what it's all about. And your lists will have a lot of collaborators and a lot of fans.